It's okay not to be okay. It's okay if the reality you're currently living in leaves you numb and saddened more times than not. Doing what you must to exist but not feeling alive while doing it. It's okay if your best looks like just enough today. We're humans, and emotions are meant to be experienced in accordance to different stimuli in our lives. Emotions and feelings are fleeting and changes as life changes. You can feel like you're over the moon at 11:59 a.m. and feel like you're at the bottom of the sea at noon. It's okay. What's not okay, however, is feeling as if you have to do it alone and that this feeling is the only way you'll feel for the rest of your life. Here's food for thought. If you want to build a house, you hire a contractor. If you want pastries for a party, you hire a baker. So why is it that if you aren't well emotionally and mentally, you don't seek a professional who could help you? You don't know everything. And sometimes that means not knowing what causes you to feel the way that you do. In acknowledgement of World Mental Health Day, PBCJ brings you a conversation surrounding mental health. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.